How to set keyboard shortcuts for your ChatGPT account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'll guide you how you can add or configure keyboard shortcuts for your ChatGPT account, making it a more smoother experience if you're good with your keyboard skills. So for that, first head to the chatgpt.com website, and once you are in the website, click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now once you do that, a menu will appear, and within this menu you will need to click onto the settings option. Within the settings, you can see the keyboard option at the last of this menu. And in this menu, you can simply use this to change a shortcut and also select the key combination, and then you can also type in your new keys. So this includes for different options like the composer and the app. So for composer, you can simply send message or stop answering. You have this particular key assigned. For the select model, you have this shortcut key assigned, which you can click, and then also you can press the key sequence in order to change this particular shortcut which currently exists. So by using these, you can simply change what the current shortcuts refer to and also disable any shortcut that you want by clicking onto this toggle. If you think that you have made a mistake or you wish to return to the original state, you can click onto this restore default option and all of the settings will be restored. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.